Kaya ito ay discussing sa batang discussing of my experience from the beginning. And it's only before when I have I finished in a course that mga vlogger and just sending my messenger and then telling have time please. You can visit in the YouTube app. You search my name, you search me. Can you subscribe? Please. Some of them they just look, and some of them also they are just asking, okay. And some of them also, I finish, oh, you see? I subscribe already. Wow, thank you very much to all of you. What kind of kadamay is what kind of kadamay is it? I think it's talking a long time ago. Kumusta na kayo? Kumusta? Mga fans ko. Oh, thank you very much talaga. Rose, thank you. Thank you talaga, thank you. Ano ba yung ano ba pag-reply? Sabi ba na ako, Rose, kung paano kita i-reply, Rose? Asa naman kita pwede ano, i-reply. Disod talagang hindi tayo masyadong ano, start. Ewan ko. Bang mamaya magkakam. Asa na yung lapis? Aroy, ginoo ko tabang. Ewan ko, Rose. Hindi ko pa alam, Rose, kung saan ako dadam.